Hindi one time, big time ang pagbayad natin doon sa inutang natin. So, hi everyone! Crisel Morales here. Welcome back dito sa ating YouTube channel. So, once again, it is my joy to share another video with you. And dito sasagutin natin mga queries na talagang alam kong nangangailangan ng kasagutan. Of course, lahat naman ng mga queries ninyo nangangailangan ng kasagutan. Sadya lamang na hindi ko sila maisa-isa, but I believe na yung mga napili ko for today is talaga namang makakatulong sa inyo. And just in case na may mga additional queries pa kayo, you can drop your comments sa ating mga videos. And I believe na kahit hindi ko man sila magawan ng videos, nababasa ko naman sila. And pasensya lang po kapag hindi ko nasasagot yung iba because I am also a working mom, a working individual. I am an employee of the government. So talagang busy din ako. But sana, through the videos that I have uploaded in the past, pag binalikan nyo yung playlist natin, makakahanap kayo, I believe, ng mga kasagutan sa mga queries ninyo. Alright, so let's move on. Alright, first comment nanggaling naman kay Pogi ka ba? 362. Aba, napaka-confident naman ang pangalan ng ating subscriber. Talagang Pogi ka ba? 362. Alright, so thank you so much for dropping your comment. At ang tanong niya, Ma'am, yung SOA po ba pwede siyang bayaran ng hulugan? Kunyari, total amount ko sa SOA is 5K. Pwede bang 1,500 sa linggong ito? Sa next week naman, 1,500 ulit hanggang mabayaran siya ng buo bago ang due date. Okay, so meron tayong reply dito na nanggaling kay KC4 Duen. Sinagot niya ang query ng ating subscriber na si Pogi ka ba? 362. At ang sabi naman ng ating subscriber na si KC4 Doen, sabi niya, pwedeng-pwede. Of course, pwedeng-pwede talaga. Basta, bago due date mo, fully paid ka na para walang interest. You are right. That's true. Para walang interest, pwedeng hulugan, 1,500 this week, 1,500 next week, hanggang sa mabuo mo yung total bill mo na nakalagay or naka-indicate sa statement of account before the due date. So, meron pang additional na comment si KC4 Doen. Pag 3 times kang nagbayad within sa SOA mo, may 50 pesos per occurrence. Meron bang ganon? Parang hindi ko pa ata na-experience. But anyway, thank you so much for letting us know about that. I'll try to find that out. Pag-aaralan natin yan. Kung meron ba talagang ganong fee doon sa mga credit card provider ko. So, titignan ko din kapag merong ganitong multiple payment fee. So, thank you so much, KC4 Duen, for that additional comment. Alright, so here is another query under doon sa video natin na may title, Cash Advance versus Card Cash Loan. Okay, ang query nanggaling kay Ju Cristobal 6467. Hi Ju, and hi Ju ba o hi Ju? Thank you so much for dropping your comment. At ang query niya, Ma'am, what if nagpa-convert ka from BPI credit card to cash? Straight payment po ba yon? Pwede po bang maging installment? Napakagandang query ito. Kapag pa nagpa-convert tayo from BPI credit to cash. Alright, meron kasing installment program din, of course, si BPI, just like the other banks na may mga installment programs, ganun din si BPI, of course. At ang tinukoy dito ng ating subscriber na si Ju is yung credit to cash na feature or installment program ni BPI. So, ang tanong niya, straight payment ba yon or installment? Okay, so ngayong araw na to, I'm going to present to you everything about credit to cash from BPI. Alright, para magkaroon tayo ng information, hindi lamang si Ju ang magkakaroon ng knowledge about the credit to cash installment program ni BPI, kundi lahat ng mga BPI credit card holders. Alright, and somehow, yung mga non-BPI credit card holders, magkaroon din tayo ng idea kung ano ba yung tinatawag nating credit to cash. Maybe ibang term yung ginagamit ng mga bangko natin. Pwedeng convert to cash or cash installment, pero pare-pareho lang yon na kino-convert yung ating credit limit into cash at uutangin natin yon, babayaran natin ng installment with additional interest na affordable naman. Alright, so get ready because today I'm going to give to you the table, the interest, and lahat na. Churba-churba. Churba-churba? Ano ibig sabihin ng churba-churba? Okay, so yun na yun.
BPI Credit to Cash. Get cash from your BPI credit card and pay it in installment. Fixed monthly installment and low add-on rate. Fast processing and you can use 100% of your available limit.
Here's a sample interest computation for credit to cash.
Avail credit to cash now by simply calling the contact number below.
Alright, so there you go. I have presented to you, and apparently, ang maganda sa credit to cash installment program ni BPI is that hindi one-time big time ang pagbayad natin doon sa inutang natin, kundi installment siya. Yun nga lang, may additional add-on interest, pero as what we have seen, affordable naman yung interest na pinatong ni BPI. Alright? One way or the other, makakatulong sa inyo ito. However, meron naman yung mga whys na bakit ako magbabayad ng additional interest kay bangko kung kaya ko naman siyang bayaran 1 month after. So kapag ganon ang principle natin, pwede tayong mag-cash advance. Pag nabayaran mo siya kaagad, hindi mo mararamdaman yung interest. Halimbawa, nag-cash advance ka today and then a week after, binayaran mo siya. So, hindi mo mararamdaman yung interest. Yun nga lang kapag nakalipas ng isang buwan, hindi mo nabayaran and then another month, hindi mo nabayaran. Yun na yung talagang magpapatong-patong na yung interest. So, may option tayo with regards to the converting our credit limit into cash. It could be the credit to cash, payable in terms, or pwedeng cash advance, which you can pay 1 week after or maybe on the due date of your statement of account. Ang maganda pa sa credit to cash, meron tayong option with regards to the term from 1 month to 36 months. So, choice mo na yon. You can choose from 6 months o kaya pwedeng 12 months, 18 months, 24 months. So, nasa iyo pa rin ang decision. Sa mga non-BPI credit card holders, pwede naman kayong mag-inquire sa inyong mga bangko or credit card provider regarding converting your credit limit into cash and pay it in installment. Kasi lahat ng credit cards, merong installment program yan. Especially yung pag-convert ng credit limit into cash. May ganyang option ang ating mga bangko. So if you would like to try also the installment program of your banks provided, kailangan talaga natin. Hindi lang yung itry ko nga, huwag ganon. Kasi may interest tayong binabayaran. So, kailangan may paglalaanan talaga tayo doon sa uutangin natin and talagang emergency o kaya kailangan natin pang tuition fee ng mga anak, hospitalization, mga ganong cases. Pero kapag subok-subok lang, well, kung ako kasi hindi ko gagawin yon. Alright? But anyway, disclaimer, everything will be upon your decision. It is always your decision and your option. Alright, so there you go. Maraming salamat. Natapos na naman po tayo sa isa pang video for the year 2025. Alright, so thank you so much sa lahat ng mga nag-subscribe at doon po sa mga hindi pa nakapag-subscribe. Sana you can subscribe dito sa ating YouTube channel and don't forget to tap the notification bell down there para ma-notify ka palagi sa mga bago nating videos. Alright, so remember, as I always say, kahit gaano kahirap yung mga trials and challenges natin na dumadating, because everyone has his or her own share of trials and struggles in life. Life is beautiful, always beautiful, because God is so good. Bye everyone!